How does the mortgage process work? Buying a home is such an exciting milestone, but let's face it, the whole mortgage process can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you're a first-time home buyer. Today, I'm here to demystify the mortgage process and make it a more enjoyable experience for you. So get ready as I share 3 essential steps that will help streamline your journey to home ownership. Alright, let's start with the first step, getting financially prepared for home ownership. That means assessing your current financial situation and making sure everything's in order. They'll take a look at your credit score, income, and existing debt. And hey, the better your credit score and stable income, the better loan options you qualify for. Plus, let's not forget about saving up for that down payment, which plays a big role in determining your loan amount and the type of mortgage you can secure. So let's get those finances in order. Now that you're financially ready, it's time to shop around for the perfect mortgage. With so many types out there, fixed rate, adjustable rate, FHA, VA, and more, you need to do your research and find out the one that suits your needs best. Don't worry, I'll be here to guide you through the different options and help you make an informed decision. It's all about finding the mortgage that makes your dreams come true. And here comes the exciting part. You found your dream home and your offer got accepted. Now we're entering the closing phase of the mortgage process. It's time to finalize all the paperwork, including an appraisal, title search, and inspection. The lender will do their thing called underwriting, making sure all the document is in order and that you meet all the loan requirements. When the big day comes, you'll be signing those official mortgage documents and taking care of the closing costs. And guess what? Once all the paperwork is completed, you receive the keys to your new home. Congratulations, you did it. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to the mortgage process. Whether you're a first-time home buyer or just looking for some helpful tips. If this video has been informative, please hit that like and subscribe button. Remember, if you're looking for a home in Livingston County, please give me a call, Miguel Garanza with Remax Platinum, Team Callan.